How to set side button as a Google Assist. You can see it's a power off, and if you go to your side button setting, you can also only see Bixby and power off. So how to set as Hey Google as a power button? For that, you need to go your good lock option, and under good lock then you can see the register. Press on register and download it. It's now downloading. Once done, simply go to your register and press on skip, and here you can see the side key button and hold action. Just enable this option and select assist your Google Voice. Now if I press the button, then you can see Google Assistant is open, and if you want to change it as just go to setting and go to the Google Assistance, and under Google Assistance you can see the digital assistant from Google. Just select Google Assistance, press on switch. Now if you press on your power button, simply restart your phone. If you press on the power button, you can see Google Assistant is open.